would surely be me. And I thought I could be what I wanted.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Sa umaga pong ito ay mag-aaral po tayo sa salita ng ating Panginoon. Buksan po natin ating mga banal na kasulatan sa aklat po ng Juan, Kapitulo 21, versikulo 17. John chapter 21, verse 17. Ito po ang pagkasabi, "Do you love me? Feed my sheep." Ito po yung sinabi ni Jesus Christ matapos po na siya ay nabuhay maguli. Nakita niya si Pedro sa laot at sinabi niya, "Pedro, mahal mo ba ako?" At sinabi ni Pedro, "Oo, Panginoon, alam mo, mahal kita." At sabi ni Jesus, "Pakainin mo ang aking mga tupa." Inulit-ulit ito ni Jesus 3 beses. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi naintindihan ni Jesus ang sinabi ni Pedro. Hindi ito para kay Jesus, ito'y patungkol kay Pedro, kung gaano niya talaga kamahal ang Diyos. At I want to tell you this morning, Jesus did not ask Peter if he loved his sheep, but if he loved him. Because the purpose of God is to make sure that if we truly love God, we have to feed the sheep of God. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pakainin ang mga tupa ng Diyos kung tunay tayong nagmamahal sa Panginoon. Affection for God's people in itself will not sustain us. His sheep can be unresponsive, unappreciative, and harshly critical of our efforts to love and to serve them. And in the end, we will find ourselves defeated and discouraged. Minsan, nag-iisip tayo, sana matutuwa sila dahil minahal ko sila. But of course, you will feel discouraged. Why? Because your effort to love them is unappreciated. No? Hindi nila ma-appreciate. But the love of Christ, our love for Him, is the only sufficient motivation that will enable us to stay the course, to continue to feed the flock. Dahil kung mahal natin ang ating Panginoon, we will continue to serve Him no matter what. Kahit ano sabihin ng mga tao, kahit hindi na-appreciate yung pagmamahal natin sa ibang tao, but still, we will continue to serve because we know that we love God. Last point po na sasabihin ko, it is the love for Christ that will enable us to love His children. Mahalin natin ang Diyos in Jesus' name at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon sa umagang ito.
I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Without you holding